teachers and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to speak about the importance of education. Good and proper education plays a great role in shaping our future and professional career. It helps us to develop personality and earn recognition and respect in the family and society. We can say that education is socially and personally an essential part of the human life. We cannot ignore the importance of education in our life at any cost, as we see daily in the society lots of social issues just because of the lack of proper education. Social issues like inequality, gender discrimination, religious differences, and so many problems are there because of the education in our life. Proper education helps us to maintain the personal and social standard in daily life. The more knowledge we get, we grow and develop more in the life. Being well educated never only means to earn certificates and good salary from the recognized and reputed organization, companies, or institution. However, it also means to be a good and social person in the life. It helps us to determine whether something is good or bad for us and other person related to us. The first purpose of getting good education is being good citizen and then being successful in personal and professional life. We are incomplete without a good education because education makes us right thinker and correct decision maker. In such a competitive world, education has become a necessity for human beings after food, clothes, and shelter. Thank you.